Hi guys, what's Man 500 here? Here it is, Leatherman, forget what, Wingman is finally in from, hold on here, Quebec, Canada. It's finally arrived, so, this is really my first unboxing video. I haven't done very many of these. I was confused. I didn't know which knife to open this sucker up with. I was thinking, you know, I'd go with this, the Buck Vantage. I was thinking maybe this, but I decided to open her up with this thing. Ooh, wow, that's old. This is really my first multi-tool, the one with the pliers in it. As you can see, 3 of the 4 handle scales are missing, and the tools won't actually stay inside the handle. And I've tightened these up and everything, and it's just, I can't get it to work. So this is what I'm opening it up with. That piece of junk. Because after this, it's getting the chuck. This is going in the garbage. So get out my knife here. It's a pretty sharp knife. I sharpened this up just before the tool went kapooey on me. So this is a new tool for 2011. Actually, it's 2012 now, but I cut through that alright. So there should be, alright, hang on here. I'll just take out my personal information first. My ordering information and such, I'll take that out. Don't want that all over the web. So, dig this sucker out. Oh, there it is. The Wingman, my very own. Let's see how this sucker does. I'm going to open this up here. Oh my god. Tough old packaging that the Leatherman has here. This is only my own Leatherman tool. I'm going to leave some of this on because there's a knife I want to test in here. Or a tool that I want to test in this. Oh my god. There we go. I got it. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is cool. That is cool. That's pretty sharp. Oh man, I like that. Let's check out the scissors. Ooh, those are big chunky scissors. There's the spring engaged. Oh, that is cool. That is cool. Oh man. Spring-loaded pliers. Hard wire cutters. Ooh, they don't sit together very well. Something I noticed right off the bat. Look up there. There's a gap there. Not a huge deal, but it's alright. So, there it is here. Man, that is cool. Oh my, adjustable. Oh, the tools clump a little bit. That's alright. Oh, there's my 1.5 inch ruler. Can't wait to try that sucker out. Oh man, this is cool. Flathead. Alright, so this is the one that I'm really excited about. Where is it? There it is. They call this it's like a cutter, I guess, for packages. I want to see how this works. For packages like this. And this Leatherman packaging is tough. Oh man, that worked pretty good. For lighter stuff, like smaller size stuff, man, that would be perfect. Just looking at the different tools that they have here right now. Cool. with this pocket clip. Oh man, that is cool. That's a strong pocket clip too. So this is just my Leatherman Wingman. Oh, that is cool. I have a feeling that this is gonna be a great EDC tool for me to use. A little bit of play. That's pretty sharp. I wonder if I have a piece of paper. I'll take this packaging right here, actually. See how this knife does. This is a combo edge knife. Let's see how this does. Whew, that's sharp. Oh wow, that's just like a razor, and shave with that. So, man, that looks good. Yes, sir. Alright, well, anyways, I don't really like the hollow grind on this, but I'm not going to be using the blade necessarily. My main thing that I'm going to be using is right here, those spring-loaded pliers. Man, those are cool. Pretty comfortable. A little slick though. Man, I like that. That's nice. A little nice and compact. So I gotta get using this. See how it works. Let's try with these scissors. It doesn't look like when I watch other people's review, they talked about the scissors and how they didn't quite lock up good, but they actually work. I just talked about that in my Leatherman Surge review. Oh man. Nice. Alright. Can't wait to use this. I gotta go check some errors, so this baby's coming with. Thanks for watching. Woodsman 500 unboxing the Leatherman Wingman.